In this video, we're going to learn how to do the I-cord bind off. So I have come to the beginning of my round. I've done my entire last body section, and now I'm ready to do my I-cord bind off. So it says to cast on 3 stitches using the cable cast on method. And if you're not familiar with that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick your needle between these 2 stitches. So they're not going into it, but they're going between that, if you can see that. Okay? And then you're gonna take a length of your yarn. I just sort of like fold over a little section and then I just pop that on there and pull that through. Now this stitch is gonna go on to the left hand needle and come in from the bottom. And then we'll do that again. We'll go between those 2 stitches, so the new one we just made and the old one. And we wrap that around and pull that through and put that back onto our needle. And then we're gonna do it one more time. So between the 2 stitches, wrap that around, pull that through, and back on. Okay. So now for the I-cord bind off, he tells us that we're gonna knit 2. So we knit 2, and then we knit 2 through the back loop. So what that looks like is you're gonna go in to the back of those 2 stitches, okay? Go down into the center and in the back, and then you're gonna wrap your yarn around and pull that up. Oops. Through the middle there, okay? All right, so then you're gonna slide these stitches back over. And that's where we get into this I-cord part. So knit 2 more. And then you're gonna knit this last of your color to your body your body color, and that's the 2 that you're gonna be knitting 2 together, okay? So knit 2 together through the back loop, pull that up to the middle, and then we're gonna slide those stitches back over. So I'll do it one more time for you. I'll do it with my yarn on my right hand this time. Boop. My yarn and not my tail. Here we go. Nope. There we go. Okay, so knit 2 stitches, and then you're gonna knit these 2 together through the back loop. And this is where having that sharp needle comes in handy. So through the back loop, and then again you'll slide those over and do it again. And you're gonna do that all the way around until you get back to the end here, and you'll have 3 stitches left. You'll bind those off, and then I just sort of whip stitch them to the beginning of this to close that up. So that is your I-cord bind off.